Hello everybody, my name is Walter, and today I want to show you how you can build my always-on lamp 4x4 double vault door. So as you can see, it's a 4x4 vault door that's double-sided, as all of my vault doors usually are, and has a 2x2 of lamps in the center of the door that remain turned on, independent whether the door is opened or closed. And that's basically what I want to show you today. Now, let's talk quickly about the sizes. So as you can see, it's 12 blocks wide. It's 10 blocks high. The opening is right in the center of that. And the length of the door is 3 blocks, 5 blocks if you count the front and the back wall. So pretty compact actually. And with that, let's quickly get to the resources. So to build it, you will need building blocks, then 2 slabs, 12 obsidian blocks, 8 slime blocks, and for redstone components, at least 27 redstone dust, 8 redstone torches, 6 repeaters, 6 redstone blocks, 10 observers, 2 node blocks, 8 normal pistons and 22 sticky pistons, 4 hoppers, 4 lamps, and a lever as an input, and you might need more redstone dust to, well, relocate the lever to where you can actually reach it. And well, with that, let's quickly show you how to build in this door here. Start by marking the center of your door with 4 blocks in the floor, as you can see here. 2 normal blocks in the middle, and on the outside immovable blocks like obsidian. Then let's go below that, and with a 1 high gap, we need a centered row of 6 normal blocks with redstone dust on top. At the front and the back of the 4 in the middle, we will also need torches. And on top of the torches, sticky pistons facing upwards. And topped with normal blocks. Since we want the door to be open when we build it, just put a lever on this line here and turn it on. This line, by the way, is also our input line where we need to later on run our input signal into. Anyway, let's continue on. From here on, the 2 sides are symmetrical, so I will build the right side and then mirror doing a little cut towards the left. So start by adding 2 raised blocks, then another 2 raised blocks towards the front like this. Redstone dust on top. Then on the last redstone, we need an observer, topped with a full block and a node block. On top of that node block, place another observer and a sticky piston powering inwards. Then let's go and add 2 normal pistons in front or to the side of this full block and the observer. Then we will need another 2 with a 1 wide gap towards the back. On top of those, place observers powering downwards, with repeaters powering outwards on 4 ticks. Then on the side of this observer, we need our first hopper and the second hopper diagonally up towards the middle like this, followed by a normal block raised there, and then just put redstone dust on top of those blocks. Grab another observer, place it on the side of this hopper here, with a repeater on 2 ticks going outwards again. Grab your slab, place it here, and put some redstone dust on top. Then we will need our sticky pistons again. Place 1 below this slab here, and another one to the face of that. Now in front of this double piston extender, we need a column of 4 slime blocks like this here. At the top and the bottom, we will need redstone blocks. In between, we will need the lamps. And we will also need normal blocks to the front and the back of the lamps, and immovable blocks in those 4 corners here. And while we're there, let's actually place the first block of the ceiling here too. And then lastly, place a redstone block right in front of this sticky piston there. And if we've built everything correctly, this side should extend and also retract as it's supposed to. So that's looking good. Now it's time to quickly mirror this. And after that, all that's left is the ceiling. For that, just add a 4 wide strip of normal blocks on top of the middle. On one side, add another 5th block, and then just run redstone wire all the way along. Then put sticky pistons next to the middle 4 and fill in the rest of the ceiling with normal blocks. And with that, we are pretty much done. So last part obviously is filling in the wall, the floor, and relocating our input a bit. And voila. So now, as you can see, the door is finally finished. And well, with that, we have reached the end of this tutorial for this always-on lamp 4x4 double vault door. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and well, see ya!